You can wear anything you like to meditate. The most important thing is that you're comfortable, if you're relaxed. If you're a man and you're wearing a tie, or if you're a woman wearing a scarf around your neck, I recommend just kind of loosening that off a little bit. If you're wearing a belt, maybe loosen that. If your trousers are a little bit too tight, maybe loosen those just so you can breathe more freely. If you're wearing high heels, I suggest you kind of slip those off. Or you could wear nothing at all. Whatever kind of feels more comfortable to you, it really doesn't matter.